A skulk of young foxes was seen observing a cameraman, as they were curious too much. Bears have buoyant bodies, that's why they can float on water's surface to catch salmons and other fishes. Looking at this, I can say that it must be fun to be a bear.
This water literally looks like it's coming from nowhere. Check this out. Look at all the water there. Look at that tiny little placid pond here. Nothing else behind it or around it. Rapids. Nothing.
This sperm whale was curious to see a new kind of a fish in the ocean, so it wanted to taste it.